In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create a CPAlead landing page and then submit it to be shown on the marketplace, just like these ones here. What's up, CPA marketers? Ammar here, and one of the ways you can make money on CPAlead is to create and display your landing page on the marketplace here, just like these ones here. So I already have one here, but I will show you how to create another one from scratch. And the reason people do this because they can promote it and make money with it with the content lockers, and also if other affiliates come here and choose your landing page and promote it, they will of course earn money, but you will earn 5% of their earnings as well. And before I jump into the process, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and or dropping a comment. It will be a great support. So now, first of all, before you create a landing page on CPAlead, you have to have something valuable to give away. And in this case, I have this ebook here and a action plan that I will be giving away for those who use my landing page, unlock the content locker, and get to this same download page. So this is a download page that is hosted on my website. It has these graphics here, and when people land here, they can only click on this button here to download these two ebooks here. The second thing that you need to have is a big, nice picture of the product that you are willing to give away. And third thing that you need to have in order to fill up the landing page form on CPAlead while creating it is all the information needed about that product that you will be giving away. So I have these information here from the ebook itself. And one more thing before we go ahead and create a new landing page, if I go here to the menu landing pages and then I go to manage, I will see all the landing pages that I am promoting. I will see this landing page here that is already approved to be shown on the marketplace, and also you can see that this one is pending approval. I submitted it today and I'm waiting for it to be approved, but I will submit the same information again just to show you how I created it. Now, when you want to create a new one, you have to have prepared everything you need, and then you come here to this tab here saying create landing page. You click on it, and then you will have to choose a template. And since this is an ebook, I will just go ahead and go with this one because it says ebook locker. So it takes a picture and it takes some information in the body of the page and then some information on the top and on the bottom of the page. So let's just go ahead and click use template. So here's the form that needs to be completed and then submitted at the end. Of course, we can preview at any time to see how the landing page will look like, and then at the end you will have to submit it for approval. So let's just go ahead and do it right now. Alright, so I just went ahead and completed the form for you. I put the title of the page, the color of the theme. Of course you can, let's go ahead and change it to red. And then here is the brand title, the image. I click on this button and I browse on my computer and go right to that image, and then now it says the name of the image is right here, and then you give a small header, a large header, and then the ebook description. Let me remove this one here, and then the button will say download ebooks now, or you can change it to whatever you want. Now the learning section is at the bottom of the landing page, and there will be like a few questions and few answers on it. The testimonials section, I turned it off, I don't need it. And now here is one thing that is very important, is the download link. This is where people will be redirected to get their premium content once they finish unlocking the page by taking a survey or completing any action that will make you a small commission. Now, this is the button, and this is what will be displayed while the visitor is completing the action, waiting completion. Now, you can see here that there is a button that says Save and Preview. So if I click on it, this is what will look like the landing page. This is the top, and these are the headlines that I entered on that form, and these are the learning section at the bottom. You have another download button here, another download button here. So when you are happy with this landing page, all you have to do is click on Finish. But if you're not, you click on this button here that says Keep Editing, and you keep making changes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going just to click on Finish. So now I can get links to promote it myself, but if I want other people to see it on the marketplace, what I need to do is go here on the landing pages and then Manage, and then you will see it here with the button saying Add to Marketplace. If I click on this button here, it will show me pending approval, just like the one I made this morning. So this is all the things that you need to respect in order to be accepted on the marketplace, and then add page and submit for review. Alright, now look at this. 2 pages are pending review. I know that on CPAlead they will see them and they will remove one, or I can just remove it right now, but I will wait and see. Now if the pages get approved by CPAlead, they will show approved here instead of pending approval, and then they will be shown on the landing pages that are available for promotion, and anyone can come to this page here and pick the landing page that I made myself. For example, click on Promote Page. He will be able to make commissions promoting this page, and if he earns some commissions, I will be earning also 5% of what they earned, because that was originally my landing page. So this is the trick. Every time you publish a landing page, you have to have something valuable to give away, and then you need to come here and fill up the form and submit it for approval. Well, thank you very much for making it so far and watching the video. Please hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video.